Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get honey blocks in Terraria. To begin, you'll need to gather some essential materials. Honey blocks are a fantastic building material, and crafting them is quite straightforward once you have the right ingredients. We'll start by locating the primary source of honey, which is crucial for this entire process. Get ready to explore the vibrant depths of your world. Your adventure for honey begins in the underground jungle biome. Look for large, natural beehives, which are easily identifiable by their unique structure and the golden liquid inside. These hives are teeming with honey, ready for you to collect. Remember to be prepared for some resistance, as the local insect inhabitants might not appreciate you taking their sweet reserves. Once you've located the honey, you'll need a way to transport it. Crafting empty buckets is your next step. Each one requires 3 iron or lead bars at an anvil. With your empty buckets in hand, simply stand in the honey and use the bucket to fill it. Remember, you'll need 3 full buckets of honey to craft just 1 honey block, so gather plenty. With your buckets of honey collected, head back to a workbench. Here, you can finally craft your desired honey blocks. Simply combine 3 full honey buckets to create one beautiful, golden honey block. These blocks are not just for aesthetics, they possess unique properties, like slowing down anything that moves across them, making them excellent for creative builds and clever traps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.